I'm a friendship coach. What the hell even is that? It's ridiculous. It makes no sense. But guess what? People need it. How pretentious of me to say that people need me. I'm not saying you need me specifically. But there's a need for this. It's so obvious. There's a need for this. People are lonely. They're wondering how to not be lonely, how to make more friends, how to make better friends. 1 in 4 people are lonely. That's like, at least according to one study. It's like, it depends how you measure it, and it's like, it depends on the culture, on the country, whatever. There's a lot of lonely people. That's my point. I realized that, I'm a former lonely man myself, that's why I help men specifically, because I'm a man, I just feel more qualified, I used to be so socially handicapped. I quit school when I was 12 or 13. 12, really. It's a long story. Maybe I'll make another video about that. But that made me really, my teenage years were, oh my God, I was so bad at this. But then eventually I learned how to get way better. And now people are surprised when I tell them that I used to be very socially anxious. You can learn this stuff. You can learn it. And it helps if you have someone to guide you along the journey. That's why I'm doing this. If you find it helpful, great. If you think I'm an idiot, yeah, that's cool too. Like, whatever. Just let me know in the comments if you think I'm helpful or if I'm an idiot. Just insult me publicly. Go ahead. And I'm not a wizard, okay? Like anyone claiming to be like a guru. I don't know if anyone calls themselves a guru, but I know a lot about this. I've been learning a lot about this, so I can help people better. I'm gonna keep learning more about it. I'm gonna share that knowledge with you guys. That's why I'm doing it. Like sometimes you'll be following me as I learn, and sometimes I'll just be more like the expert and be like, this is what I know. This is what you should like. I'm also gonna share my personal experience a lot. That's what I've been doing. I've been doing this YouTube thing for almost 2 months now. I'm gonna keep doing it, and I really appreciate your support. With the comments and with you clicking like and all that. You know what to do. So yeah. I'm fighting the whole thing. I'm fighting the loneliness epidemic with my videos, with my newsletter, with my paid coaching, any way I can. And it's been great. Some people have booked calls already. It's been really fun. But it makes no sense. That's my point. Like, humanity survived with 200,000 years. How long have we been around? I don't know. We didn't have friendship coaches, fitness coaches. We didn't have therapists. We did okay, but and we were probably a lot less lonely when we were hunter-gatherers. Now it's different. It's different. I'm happy I'm not a hunter-gatherer, but yeah. So that's what I mean. Like, we need to get better. The people need to get better at making friends and at building true friendships, okay? And if I can help you a little bit by guiding you and calling you out on your nonsense, amazing. If I can help you get there faster, more efficiently, that's what I'm here for, okay? But I acknowledge that it's insane that this is even a thing. But you know what? I love that this is a thing. I love this. So thank you guys.